Ganesha defeats the ganas. Shiva ignored Ganesha and tried to enter his house, but Ganesha hit him with his spear. Shiva turned red with anger. He ordered his ganas to get rid of the boy. Shiva's ganas rushed in and stood before Ganesha. Do you have any idea who Shiva is? He is our master and this cave belongs to him. You had better leave this place or else we will have to throw you out forcefully. Paying no heed to these words, Ganesha courageously stood his ground. At Shiva's order, the ganas charged towards little Ganesha. The ganas were armed with different kinds of weapons. The ganas tried different ways to attack Ganesha. Nandi and Bring started pulling his legs in opposite directions, but Ganesha struck their hands and saved himself. The ganas were actually no match for the little Ganesha. They all were scared of Ganesha. Now they scrambled away in all directions to save themselves. Ganesha once again stood guard at the entrance. Ganesha fights against the gods. Sage Narad saw that Ganesha had defeated all the ganas of Shiva. He persuaded Brahma, Vishnu and Indra to reach Mount Kailash along with the other gods. Everyone thought he was probably being tricked by Shiva and Parvati. Still, all of them hurried to aid Shiva. Parvati saw all the gods approaching. She became worried about her son. So Parvati created two powerful Shaktis, goddesses, for Ganesha's help. She then ordered both the goddesses to stand beside her son and help him. One goddess opened her mouth as wide as a hollow in a mountain and swallowed all the weapons hurled at Ganesha. The other goddess put on a dreadful form ready to defeat and punish Ganesha's enemies. Ganesha conquered all his enemies and won the battle. The gods shuddered with the impact of Ganesha's blows. They gathered around Shiva and begged for protection. Lord, this boy is extraordinary. Please save our lives. Ganesha will destroy us. Shiva beheads Ganesha. All the ganas and the gods were defeated by little Ganesha. Shiva was furious. It had now become a matter of his honor. So he himself came forward to fight against the little boy. But Ganesha was completely ready to fight against him. So as soon as Shiva lifted his trident, it was immediately struck down by Ganesha. Furious at his trident being struck down, Shiva picked his bow, Pinaka, up. But his bow was soon demolished by Ganesha's spear. The valiant son of Parvati easily defeated Shiva even with his 10 arms. With Shiva's permission, Vishnu created an illusion of blinding clouds and split open Ganesha's spear with his divine discus. The little boy struck back at Vishnu with his broken spear, throwing Vishnu to the ground. Vishnu instantly got up and resumed the fight with Ganesha. Immediately, Shiva seized the opportunity and attacked Ganesha from behind. He slashed off Ganesha's head with his trident. Parvati's anger. On being stopped from entering his own home, Shiva had in a great fit of fury cut off his own son's head. When Parvati saw her son's lifeless body, she became furious. How could you do this? She screamed at Shiva. You have killed our son. Parvati was miserable, but soon she took the form of the terrifying goddess Shakti. She threatened to destroy all the gods. The gods tried to plead with the distraught Parvati. Shiva himself tried to pacify her. He accepted his defeat and pleaded with her not to destroy the gods. Parvati was still in her Shakti form and was on a destruction rampage. All the gods were in a great fear and they started praying to Shiva to sort out the issue. Shiva once again requested Parvati to calm down, but she demanded that her son Ganesha be brought back to life.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.